What's up Gadgeteers? Welcome to GadgetZed. In this video, we will unbox and review the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. As a long-time Galaxy Note user, what we love about this phone is the huge high-resolution OLED display, wide variety of productivity features, beautiful photos taken by its camera, and last but not the least, the S Pen. Now let's go to the unboxing. What we have here is the Mystic Black. It also comes with Mystic White and the premium Mystic Bronze. Matte glass is only available for Mystic Bronze. The front and back glass of this phone is made from the latest and greatest Gorilla Glass Victus, and this is the first phone that uses this kind of glass technology. Moving on, it comes with 25 watts fast charging adapter, an end-to-end USB Type-C cable, a Type-C AKG headphone, extra ear tips, SIM ejector, and document sleeves, but unfortunately it doesn't have free jelly case. Going back to the phone, the Note 20 Ultra comes with 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with pixel density of 496 ppi and refresh rate of 120Hz at Full HD and 60Hz at Quad HD. The global version of Note 20 Ultra is powered with Samsung's 7nm Exynos 990, while the rest of the regions is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus. It has a base storage of 256GB and 12GB of RAM. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is powered by Android 10 with Samsung's One UI 2.5. Take a look on each side of the phone. At the bottom, the S Pen is moved to the left next to the speaker grill, then the USB Type-C port, and a microphone. On the right side, there is your power button and the volume rocker. There are no buttons on the left side, and on the top you will see another microphone and the SIM card slot. On the front, it has a smaller punch-hole 10-megapixel camera with aperture of 2.2, and on the back, there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera which is 120 degrees, a 108-megapixel main shooter with optical image stabilization, 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x zoom, and 50x hybrid zoom, LED flash, and the new laser autofocus which is far better in terms of camera focusing. Moving on to the camera, you can shoot photos from ultra-wide up to 50 times zoom. Take a look at the sample images. In terms of video quality, this review is entirely recorded using the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Please tell us your impressions. Do you like the video quality? Please leave a comment down below. Now let's talk about the display. This phone has a Quad HD resolution at 60Hz. You can only enjoy the smoothness of 120Hz if you change the resolution to Full HD. We are a little bit disappointed because of the price and the fact that other phone brands can achieve 120Hz in full native resolution. Still, we cannot deny that there's no other smartphone brand can match the Samsung Super AMOLED display. Take a look at the difference between 120Hz Full HD versus 60Hz Quad HD. In our experience, regardless of resolution, once you go 120, you will never go back to 60. Now let's talk about gaming. The Note 20 Ultra GPU, just like its processor, comes in two variants, Mali G77 MP11 for global and Adreno 650. What we have here is the Mali GPU. You can play Mobile Legends and PUBG Mobile at max graphics without any frame drops. But in our experience, the phone still warms fast, just like my 2-year-old Galaxy Note 9. Now let's talk about the thing that makes the Samsung phone a Note, the S Pen. The writing latency has been reduced from 26 milliseconds to 9 milliseconds. The writing experience is significantly improved together with the 120Hz display that makes you feel like writing on a piece of paper. S Pen controls is still here but with additional gestures. You can still open the camera by pressing the S Pen button. Swing left and right to change the camera modes. Swing up and down to change from front camera to back camera. And press the button to record video or capture images. You can also do the gestures to go back, open recent apps, go to home, and take a screenshot. This is sweet, but for me, it is gimmicky. Another great feature is the Samsung DeX. Unlike before, you can only use it through DeXpad or a laptop using a USB Type-C cable. Now you can fire up Samsung DeX wirelessly to Samsung Smart TV and Android TV with Chromecast. You can turn your phone into a portable desktop-like interface in a second and use your phone as a trackpad and keyboard. We connected a Bluetooth keyboard and used the phone as a trackpad. The typing experience is good, but you will notice some delays because the DeX is connected wirelessly. You can still use your phone normally while doing some tasks on DeX mode. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is powerful enough to do some video editing. Since we recorded this video using this phone, we edited the entire review in DeX mode. The Note 20 Ultra 5G has a 4500 mAh battery, which is smaller than the 5000 mAh of S20 Ultra. Maybe they reduced the battery capacity to give some extra room for the S Pen. In our usage, the screen on time is up to 6 hours at 120Hz. This will improve if you set the screen refresh rate to 60Hz, giving you up to 8 hours. You can turn on your Note 20 Ultra into wireless charger. Charge your smartwatch, Mison B6 or any TWS using wireless power share. Now let's talk about our complaints. What confuses everyone is that Samsung is always releasing two different versions of the phone, depending on your region. The global version Exynos 990 chipset, while the rest is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus. Many claims that the top-end Exynos CPUs are inferior and less power efficient than the Snapdragon chipsets. As for its price, if you got the Exynos 990, price is still the same with the Snapdragon variant. Another downside of this phone is you can only enjoy 120Hz refresh rate at Full HD, while other phones can achieve 120Hz in full native resolution. On the other hand, what we like about this phone is the new 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, smaller punch hole camera which is less intrusive than the Note 10 Plus, the addition of laser autofocus, the improved S Pen experience, and the Samsung wireless DeX where we managed to edit and shoot this entire review on a desktop-like environment. So that's it. What are your thoughts about the Note 20 Ultra 5G? Did we miss something? Please comment down below the description. Before we end, we would like to thank Gadget Sidekick, Pinoy Tech Dad, and Sulit Tech Reviews for giving their honest review of our products. Please also watch the review of Note 20 Ultra in Mystic Bronze by Sulit Tech Reviews. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more gadget reviews. We are GadgetZed and see you on the next one. Peace.